Did you know that two college students vanished from the exact same bar 13 years apart? February 24th, 2019. Columbus State University student Tyler Davis was having a normal Saturday night in downtown Columbus. Security cameras tracked him bar hopping through the arena district with friends, but then Tyler made a fatal decision. He walked into the ugly Tuna Saluna alone, the same bar where Brian Schaffer mysteriously disappeared in 2006. At 2 a.m., surveillance footage shows Tyler leaving the bar by himself. He's walking steady despite hours of drinking. His phone stays active for just minutes after leaving. His final location and ping comes from near the Olentangy River, then his phone goes dark forever. Months later, Tyler's body was found in that same river. But here's what investigators still can't explain. Tyler was a strong swimmer. The weather was clear that night. No signs of foul play were found. So what really happened in those missing minutes between Tyler's last phone ping and his death? The answer might be more terrifying than you think.